How does attachment theory explain juvenile delinquency? Have you ever wondered why some young people get involved in crime? One important factor is attachment theory, which looks at the bonds formed between children and their caregivers. This theory, developed by John Bowlby, shows how these early relationships can shape a child's future behavior. Children have a natural drive to connect with their primary caregivers, usually their parents. When these attachments are strong and secure, children feel safe and supported. This sense of security helps them develop emotional regulation, social skills, and self-esteem. All of these factors contribute to a lower chance of engaging in delinquent behavior as they grow up. On the other hand, when children experience insecure attachments, things can go wrong. Inconsistent parenting, neglect, or even parental incarceration can lead to feelings of anxiety and mistrust. These children may struggle with managing their emotions, which can result in alienation or aggression. These traits are often linked to a higher risk of juvenile delinquency. Research shows that adolescents who maintain strong, positive relationships with their parents are less likely to engage in delinquent activities. They are less likely to commit crimes, vandalize property, or abuse substances. Secure attachments provide emotional support and a model for healthy relationships, acting as a protective factor against delinquency. In contrast, adolescents with weak or negative attachments often feel rejected and may struggle with low self-confidence and depression. These feelings can push them toward delinquent behavior as they seek acceptance or a sense of belonging elsewhere. Attachment theory highlights a critical period for forming these bonds, especially from infancy to around age 5. If a child does not establish secure attachments during this time, they may face long-lasting effects. This can include increased aggression and difficulties in social interactions, both of which can lead to juvenile offending. In the realm of true crime and criminology, understanding attachment theory helps explain why some youths end up in the juvenile justice system. For instance, children with incarcerated parents may face disrupted attachments that affect their behavior and attitudes. Recognizing these emotional and psychological factors can provide a clearer picture of why juvenile crimes occur. Practically, attachment theory suggests that improving family relationships can help reduce juvenile delinquency. Programs focused on strengthening caregiver-child bonds, such as parenting education and family therapy, can address the emotional roots of delinquent behavior. By promoting secure attachments, we can work to prevent the development of such behaviors in at-risk youth. In summary, attachment theory offers a lens through which we can understand juvenile delinquency. Secure attachments lead to resilience and lower delinquency risk, while insecure attachments increase vulnerability to antisocial behavior. This perspective is essential for understanding the psychological background of juvenile offenders and guiding effective prevention strategies.